So guys, once you've listed all the people that you owe money to, how much you owe them, and the priority of your commitments and debts, you can put together a budget for you. And what a budget does for you is it tells you exactly where you stand, looking at your income and your expenditure. So it tells you how much money you have and what are the commitments you have to make. So it can really help you. Now, you can use various budget tools that are available online. I've shared a link for one in the video description, so go check that out if you need help. Other things you can do, you can make one yourself. You can use the Excel if you're a computer person, or just pen and paper, just listing everything down. But sometimes it's good to use these tools because a lot of times we forget things. The other thing you can do is go through maybe your bank statement, have a look at your standing orders and direct debits. Also, just looking at the transactions on your bank statement, and that will also tell you exactly what you're spending money on. Once you've done the budget and you feel you will struggle to make a commitment or pay a bill or whatever there is, don't bury your head in the sand or wait to miss the payment or just go along with it. Take the step. Contact the relevant organization or the lender or whoever and explain your situation to them. They should be able to work out some kind of a solution for you or some kind of payment plan. They may be able to tell you, may be able to change the amount you pay or the frequency you're paying, but they should be able to come up with a solution to help you out. But take that step, contact them instead of ignoring the problem.